Hey everybody, this is Elvis. I'm here in Graceland. I've returned, and if you're visiting us, you're watching Thermal Dog Outfitters, and they are about the most coolest thing that you've ever seen. So if this is the first time you're coming back, thank you very much. If you haven't been here before already, you've already been watching the videos, thank you very much. So. But you didn't come here to see my good-looking self here in Graceland. You came here to see the video. So hang out and watch the video, and we'll see you later. Thank you very much. Hey, with Thermal Dog Outfitters. I am here with Executive Outdoor Adventures. I don't know the guy's name. You may have not heard it, but everybody knows Andy. So Andy Anderson, and oh, by the way, I'm going to say, I know this guy's an awesome guide. I've known him for a while. Cody.
Oh, come on.
But then this year, we got the new guy. He seems to be doing okay, so we'll see how he does tonight. So we're going to find out. So, hey, we are here. It's always pretty awesome. If you've never been to Executive Outdoor Adventures, they do some freaking outstanding stuff. Helicopter hunts. Right now, this time of the year is deer season. They ease up a little bit, and they take people out. And check the rest of the video out and some of the stuff that we've seen as we're driving around here. If you want some awesome hunts, this is a place to come to. And oh, by the way, tonight, they're going to let me hang out. We're going to go and shoot some hogs. We're going to kill some hogs. Yeah. So let's see if we can make it happen. I'm looking forward to it. Enjoy the video. We're out. See you. Take 23. Hey guys, I didn't get a chance real quick. Andy, any words before we head out? You're the boss here, bro. As a man of many words. Spit it out. Come on, bro. And on that note,
you put me on a spot. I couldn't.
Come on. It's okay. It's all right. Come on.
That couldn't.
This is going on the video, Andy. This is going.
Don't put it on the video. I will shoot you with a staple gun.
Overall, nicely done. Nicely done. You need to make a cookbook.
I hear that a lot.
All the food every time I come in here is phenomenal. It is awesome.
Andy said he was going to do that for me for Christmas for me. Yeah. He had me send him all the recipes, and I think it was just a hoax so where he could have my recipes.
Oh, yeah.
So Andy's scamming the recipes. I'm gonna put that on video. Everybody hear that?
It's documented now.
It's documented now.
Yeah.
But this is a young lady that every time I come out here makes awesome food.
Thank you.
You cannot beat it. Do you see something?
That's why they're knocking on the roof.
See? What you got? Hey, yo!
Like 5 of them. 8 of them.
There are pigs?
Yeah, there's
This close to this. How far? Okay, let's kill this. Let's kill it. Kill it. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. I'm out here just like Hector. TCB, taking care of business. So I'm back at the Graceland Hotel here, or the hotel, or a small place. Don't matter what I can call it whatever I want. Yeah, I got some hair issues here, but that's okay. Well, hey, as you can see, Hector was trying to take care of some business. But thank you very much. By the way, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Thank you very much. You all missed me. I'm back now. This next clip you're going to see is unfortunately the all the excitement and the taking care of the hogs. They didn't get the video clip of shooting the hogs, but here's a video clip of the young man that got the hog. Good job. Thank you very much. All right, everybody, we lucked out. We were happy. We found a group of pigs and they ended up taking off. Well, you know what? I'm going to stop. Tell me what happened.
Saw a sounder running right to left real quick, and just kind of last minute caught one broadside right as they were running at over the ridge.
And they were in a full run. They were in a full sprint, and you got it on the run.
Yeah.
So we lucked out. This was we were done. We were on the way out. We didn't luck out, and here right at the end. All right. Well, good job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Everybody, that's the end of the video. We want to thank Andy Anderson for allowing Hector, I'm Elvis, allowing Hector to go down there and be able to be a part of the video, be a part of the shoot. That's an awesome ranch. If you want to be able to go and have a good time, enjoy a great hunt, contact Andy Anderson. I'm glad we were able to get that pig on the ground. No, Hector was able to get the pig on the ground. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Y'all come back down. And now if you want to be able to check out some of that gear and equipment they use out there in them hunts, look at that link down there, and there's something you want in there. You can click on that link and go get something. That's how you help out the channel. Thank you very much. We're out here taking care of business, just like they were taking care of business. Y'all have a good time. We'll see you on the next video. See ya. Thank you. Thank you very much.